Okay, step 1. Choose lighting and an area that has good lighting. Is this a good one? Or is this a better place to have a video? Where the window's that way, not that way.
I'm gonna shut the door.
I have a more, pick your background, of course. You want to pick your background. Here I have posters and mirror. Over there I have clear wall. That Step 2. I can crop out these sides later on when I'm doing my video making app.
Rolling.
So I think I'm gonna go with a clear wall that is right next to where I was before, and I have good lighting and a clear wall. Next, step 2, work on background. Step we are on. I've lost count. What step are we on? Okay, no one knows yet. Pick the right nail size. Make it so it doesn't go through your wall, but it still goes into your wall. Or nail size. And I found 4 that match. Step 6, get nails. Go. Step something. Put it in the wall. Something. Does it work? Does it?
You got to write something on the black though. There you go.
There we go.
Looks good.
Step other something. Pick your desk. Make sure that it's a good desk. And a good chair. Step. You think we're on like step 11 now?
I just don't even know.
Okay, step 11. Hire a camera person.
Oh, am I getting paid for this?
No.
Aw, I'm not doing it anymore. I'm talking to my union.
You don't have a union.
I do too. Mom's union.
Okay. Step 12. Oh yes, find where your camera should be and mark it with painter's tape on the floor.
What about all this box and stuff behind you? Do you want to clear out so you have a little bit of room to do your projects? No, I mean like the big blue
Oh,
thing.
yeah. Clear your area. Step 30. Oh, goodness. There's like living under there. This is why I like playing with Legos. They appear wherever you least expect them. Room magic. Activate. Go. Step 7. More marking. Where'd the painter's tape go? There we go.
Good.
Now.
Get all your elbows in. That's nice.
And now I know that I can't go past those. I can't really.
Wait, I think you should also mark more marking of the desk legs, because you can't leave that desk right there all the time.
Yeah. Step 28. Come up with an idea for your video. So, and make your channel. Can't forget to do that. I forgot to do that once.